I like soft-shell tacos. What the heck? Well, yeah, I'm playing some Animal Jam. I just gotta fit the screen. Me. Oh, my cookies are gone. Someone is like saying all my cookies are gone. What the heck? People are just so weird. Your insanity is bad. What? Steal their taco. I don't even know what's going on here. The taco cake. Oh, my grammar. Dude, I have insanity for a reason. Make a shotgun more than you can drown. What the heck does drown mean? Dude, okay. Taco cake? Okay, I'm just gonna leave. This is too weird. What even is going on? There's another little favorite party called Beta Beta Beta. It's you, Jay. Couldn't see that. I don't know what you Oh, I like this music. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's see if there's anything that non-members can get. There's probably nothing that non-members can get. Okay, everything is for members. That sucks. I'm gonna get my membership back tomorrow, by the way. I'm gonna become the DJ. No, someone became the DJ. No, there's 2 DJs. Want me to leave? ... What? I'm just gonna sit down. No, I'm gonna dance. Okay, I'm just hopping. This isn't the same thing as dancing. Hopping is not the same thing as dancing. This is the same thing as dancing. By the way, you know my Sabretooth hat? It's not because I'm cheating for the Sabretooth, even though we're done with it. It's just because it matches. So you don't mind wearing it. I'm gonna change your back item. Oof, I'm back. Someone's just saying, oof, I'm back. What do you mean by that? I don't get what you mean. Well, should I make some blue? No, I think I should make my eyes white. That's really cool, actually. I like that. Okay, let's see what we can put on our back. That is for non-members, and it's pink. Ooh, these spring back angel wings look good. Yeah, I think we'll go with those. Let me like something even better. Okay, if I would, I would wear the egg cloak. Ooh, but the clover blanket looks... Okay, I can't see the clover blanket. Let's put on the spring police hat. Okay, Alex. I was about to not... But then I just saw it and it was really cute. I liked it. Even though I'm not a police officer. Genie shoes? What the heck? I need these. I need to wear these. Hello, it's Sheriff something coming here. I am Sheriff something. The lag is real. I'm Sheriff something. I'm tired. Someone's a lemur. I really want a lemur. I didn't know I don't have a lemur. I'm Sheriff something. Someone's reacting like, okay, you're Sheriff something. Relatable. I don't know if he's saying that too. Wait, let's see if the lemurs are here right now. I can't see. 4 members only. Okay, everything's for members now. Okay, let's just... we can go to the diamond shop. Let's see if the lemurs are here in the diamond shop. I really like this music. It's really pretty. It's like my mom's favorite Animal Jam music, by the way. All of these I have. Except this. I don't have a skunk. But I do have an owl. I think I might save up for the skunk. Yeah. Sorry, I got carried away. Let's go to my den for no reason. Well, the only pet I can have is my hamster. Why just my hamster? There's a bunch of... Look at all these pets I have. The only pet I can have is the hamster. It was plain mean. I'm just gonna... Should you Autumn Bug or... Firesaurus? You know what, Firesaurus? You have to be a member... Okay. Let's just say you have to be a member for everything. Yeah, that sounds correct. Well, Firesaurus, it's just you and me on the case. No, there is no case. Let's just pretend that there is a case. Oh, I love these genie shoes. Oh my gosh, look at my hamsters are going crazy, everybody. Okay. Well, I heard that there's a role-playing case in Aladdin this... Not the Everfree Forest out there. I'm so used to Everfree. I literally forgot what it was called. I forgot what it's called. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go Aladdin. Wow, I'm surprised that I can go here. Oh no, Syracuse Forest. Why do you think it was Everfree Forest? It's full of role players. Okay, is Everfree full except this one? Well, canyons. Mount Shiver? Okay, Appendale. How is Appendale full? Okay, Kambara? Okay, Kambara isn't full. There is still a bunch of people. Most of them are not members. I'm a non-member. Members just keep on coming here. Non-members will never end. How about Belush? I really like Belush. Kind of forgot it existed though. But I love the music. Like you don't even know. Let's go in here. Like this. Oh, the music is really creepy. Oh, look, it's some armor for no reason. Let's just put the armor here. Let's see if we can go to Syracuse Forest. I heard there's a case in Syracuse Forest and they won't let me go there. Come on, go in. Okay, they don't want me to solve the case. Enemy is at a doorstep. We think our city locked away our treasures, but it was not enough. They have tracked us through the Riverlands and will destroy Belush if you let them in. Just when we thought that we had found home here, they seek to take it away. But do not fear. I found the answer. I'll use my power to seal away Belush in the Direwolf Heartstone until the Sabretooth Heartstone is returned to it. That's how I'll be certain that the land is safe to thrive again. I'm sorry, Star. This is all I could think to do. I may be trapped here, but we'll be kept safe until you're back, and things are able to return. I'm right to do this for you in my greatest honor, and I hope you are there to see it, my friend. I not know what will happen to me. I suspect I will be locked here within the temple stone walls. This great power may turn me to stone myself. For all this done, I ask only that you do not forget my name. It is the code by which to remember me forever. Juno. I'm pretty sure I already put in the code, Juno. There's a book here. It seems strange that an Arctic Wolf statue would stand in the heart of this ancient temple. Why not a Sabretooth or a Direwolf? Looks as if this lonesome animal is watching over the temple, and all Belush for that matter. What does it mean? It's circle up here. Sabretooths and Direwolves have returned to the land of Jamal. What happened to them in the first place? This temple must hold the answer. In Arctic Wolf stand lungs. Say Direwolves and Sabretooths. Here's Cosmo. Ever since you set foot in this temple, I've been sensing a strange and ancient power. Did the ancients use some some special force to create the statue of Juno? Was it made by Juno himself? Juno statue. Lifelike. Stone too fresh. Could be poured. After so many years. What materials were used? Here's Peck. Poor Juno. I can't believe that they let themselves be turned to stone. But reading about how much they cared about Star and all the Syracuse and direwolves, I understand. I'd do anything to protect all the other alphas and all of them all. Juno was a truly honorable warrior. I only wish I could have met him. I regret that there is nothing we can do for them right now, except remain vigilant. If we ever lose village to the Phantoms, Juno's sacrifice would have been in vain. I don't even know what that is. They're like, all reacting to this, like, all of them have different reactions, but they're the same. You think you know what I mean? Like, have different reactions, but they're the same. Oh wait, there's a shop. I didn't know there was a shop. And who the heck is Star? Extinct animals. Extinction means that a species is gone forever. It can happen for all kinds of reasons, from huge changes in the planet's temperature to destruction of habitat. Animals that are considered endangered or under protection to prevent them from going extinct. When a species is brought somewhere it does naturally live, it can disrupt that environment, the ecosystem, and become an invasive species. It can even lead to the extinction of other species. It's important to keep invasive species under control. When an animal goes extinct, the only way scientists can learn about it is from fossils or remains left behind. Sometimes animals have been especially well preserved in tar, ice, or amber, which is formed where a tree risen and fossilized. Well, you just learned out what you just learned it. Those are these the Heartstones? I didn't know that's what the Heartstones look like. Where is Juno? I have so many questions. Okay, still extinct animals. Well, that is really cool. Oh, are you kidding me? Let's go to Syracuse Forest. Okay, is everyone full? Am I gonna be stuck here just like Juno? Hardy Bay. Okay, that's not full. That's good. And, oh my gosh, there's a lot of people here. I did not think that there was going to be this much people here. I'm going to play some Best Dressed. Oh, that's not what Best Dressed is. Where the heck is Best Dressed? Let's play Best Dressed, why not? Oh no, I didn't mean to go there. Oh. Where the heck is here's the Ocean Best Dressed. I love Best Dressed, if you didn't know. Okay, practice. Just gotta throw a bunch of items on. I really like this rare lionfish tail armor. Lionfish helmet. Oh, okay. Dressed up the shiniest. What do you mean by that? I'll just dress up something that looks sparkly. Something like that. These kind of sparkle. Okay. Let's make yourselves like white and yellow. And standing out. And wear the sombrero. No, we're almost done. These are rare, so we should wear. I'm totally not gonna win. Oh no. Waiting for others shiniest. You're pretty good. I like that. I'm totally the shiniest. I am totally the shiniest out of all these guys. Well, I guess that's it, because I'm almost done. Bye.